Hey people, so this particular video is uh, considering we've lost one of the biggest stars the Indian cinema ever saw, Irfan Khan, because very few actors were such that, you know, no matter it's been said that in 1992 Irfan Khan, to afford a ticket for to watch one of the Godzilla films, one of these dinosaur films, it was, you know, watching it in a multiplex was expensive. And then a few years later, probably a decade later, he was starring in a film that was, you know, it's I think the Lost World or one of these the dinosaur films. So it really, Irfan Khan, thank you for giving us such world class cinema, because from Lunchbox to Angrezi medium to Hindi medium, and there's this movie called Kareeb Kareeb Single, which is on Netflix. These are special films, yeah. So, and when a person, like, he acted in Piku also, so they bring a certain that goodness with them. So, Irfan Khan, thank you for that. It's just watching you on screen was a treat. So, on that note, thank you, people, and I'll catch you in my next video.